Hey guys, today we're going to run through a quick induction on our Monitor 1890 Pro Spiderboom. Before we start looking at the machine, we want to check the safety certs are all up to date. Then we want to come over to our logbook. We want to have a look at our logbook pouch, grab our logbook out and follow the pre-start checks on the front. Once all those have been checked, we want to go to the operators page and fill it out accordingly. Once we've done that, and we're all happy with the state of the machine, we can get into operating the machine. So now we've done our pre-start checks on the machine, we're ready to operate it. What we want to do first is find our emergency stops at the base controls, make sure they're all released at the platform as well. Turn the key at the ground controls to the on position and find our wireless remote controller. Chuck the strap around your neck like so. Pull that emergency stop out as well. Press this button here to light up that, and that brings our connection to the ECU to the wireless controller. Once that's staying solid, we're ready to start operating the machine. This toggle switch here to the left will start the machine. Now we're ready to operate. So now our machine's running. We can use these two toggle switches in the middle to drive the tracks forward and back. To drive forward, push them both up. To drive back, pull them both back. To steer the machine, do one of them forwards and one of them backwards, like so. Now we've got the machine set up in the position, we can set the outriggers out. To set the outriggers, hold the button here and do this toggle switch to the rabbit position. The outriggers will auto level to a safe position for the machine. Now we have our machine leveled out, we're in our platform with our harness on. Our harness is attached to our lanyard point like so. We want to pull our emergency stop out, wait for this red light to illuminate, and press the green button to start the machine. Now before we do any functions, we need to put our foot on the dead man switch, like so. First function we want to use is our jib out function to release the jib from the cradle. Once you're at a safe distance away from the machine, you can operate your functions as so. We'll go through them quickly. To do boom out, third one in from the right, boom up, next one in, lower boom, next one across. We also have slew left and slew right. When you're going to stow the machine, you want to make sure you line your jib up with the cradle below. Perfect. Now to operate the legs individually, you want to use the two outside toggle switches on either end. To bring them both up, pull them down, and to retract them, push them up. You can do them individually as required if you're on uneven ground. Before moving, ensure they are retracted all the way.